Rugs and carpet are not for everyone. Rugs and carpet are amazing items to have in your home. When placed inside center of the room, it draws your attention towards it. It is a big eye magnet. If chosen correctly in terms of size and colors, then it completes your room. Rugs and carpets absorb noise. So if you have wooden flooring which makes bit of noise on walking, well, rugs and carpets are your answer. They will absorb noise. So should you go ahead and get that beautiful carpet inside your home? Well, not really. Rugs and carpets are not for everyone. The reason is they absorb light. They do not reflect light. If you are fighting with small space in your room, you want to maximize light. More light you have, more spacious room will look. If your room is small, rugs and carpets may not work for you.